In a bid to streamline highway travel and reduce traffic congestion, Union government has unveiled plans to phase out traditional toll plazas in India. The current toll revenue for state-owned National Highways Authority of India stands at 40,000 crore, with projections indicating a significant increase to 1.40 lakh crore within the next 2-3 years. The aim is to accurately charge motorists based on the exact distance travelled on the highways, thereby mitigating traffic congestion and streamlining toll collection processes. How will GPS-based toll collection work? Under the proposed GPS-based toll collection system, all vehicles will be required to be equipped with GPS, Global Positioning System, technology. This will involve the installation of microcontrollers with third-generation, 3G, and GPS connectivity in vehicles, allowing the government to track their movements and determine the toll charges based on the routes taken and toll gates passed through. Currently, tolls are typically collected at the end of a specific stretch of road or project, with fixed rates applied for distances of approximately 60 kilometers. However, the new system will enable more precise toll collection based on actual distance traveled. How does it differ from FASTag? While the existing FASTag system utilizes radio frequency identification technology for automatic toll deduction as vehicles approach toll booths, GPS-based toll collection will track vehicles continuously throughout their journey. Unlike FASTag, which deducts tolls only upon reaching a toll plaza, the GPS-based system will collect tolls based on real-time vehicle movement data. It is speculated that GPS-enabled FAS tags may be utilized for this purpose by National Highway Authority of India, providing a seamless transition to the new toll collection method. The shift towards GPS-based toll collection represents a significant step forward in modernizing India's highway infrastructure and improving the efficiency of toll collection processes.